Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. Now, what you're seeing on this page is a branded tool that I've created in the past, and I've created a number of these branded tools. But the very unique thing is I'm actually going to be offering something that I've never ever offered before in all my years of being online. This is something totally brand new. This is a branded tool. However, how would you like to be the actual owner of your very own branded tool? Okay, so what I'm talking about here, guys, is I'm not talking about a system where you brand what I've actually created for you. No, you're going to be the complete owner of that brander tool. All right, and your team will be able to brand your system. Okay, and you have control as to how all your content, your PDF, your lead magnets. You yourself can be the owner of that. You can have a system, for example, that promotes your business. Okay, it doesn't have to be the businesses that I've decided. Okay, you can just take the whole thing away, do whatever you want. You can repurpose old blog posts, or you can create your own PDF from scratch, or you can use private label right articles that are given you permission to own, okay, and then you can give the branding rights to your members or your team. Okay, so in other words, I'm basically giving you access to something that I've been doing for since 2015. And really, my big aha moment in this industry was exactly the very time. I remember the exact day when I became a kind of a rock star. I don't want to say that because I'm kind of an introvert. I'm kind of shy. But all of a sudden, like, I woke up one morning here in Japan, and my sponsor in a particular business that I had recently joined, and he suddenly said, he came into my inbox and said, "Blimey, your new PDF rebrander system has absolutely taken off on Facebook. It's gone viral." And in the company, this was back in 2015, and I was in, dare I say the names, Traffic Monsoon and My Paying Ads and some of those other rev share programs that many of us were in back then. And I had put a bunch of programs into one PDF report. I put the buttons in there, the links and everything, and people could rebrand that entire report and just share it out, and it went absolutely viral. And I remember the exact day, and when I woke up, my whole business just blown up, and I had literally hundreds of signups, coming in, all the time. Now, I'm not going to say that that's going to happen to you, but it is, an absolute in-demand system. If you can own a system like this, it really, really helps. And in so many businesses that I've been involved in, I've created rebrander tools, I've created funnels, and I've given out the share codes to go with it. But the big thing for me was being able to allow members to rebrand my lead magnets and allow them to go absolute viral. This is one particular example that I created recently, where they download the report, they have the share code to the Leads Leap, because the funnels, everything's all done on Leads Leap. They join my primary business, which in this case is Paraiba, but you can switch out and do whatever business you want. You can give out the share codes. I'm giving you all this, guys, but I'm taking a step further. You've had this before, you've seen this. You had to brand it, you had to join Paraiba in order to use this system. But now what I'm doing is I'm saying you can use it for any system. Okay, you take control. All right. So then, when you click on these buttons here, they basically take you to the brander. I'm going to give you the share code to this actual brander tool. Okay, as well, and also the actual software itself, where you can actually download. Sorry, not download. It's all web-based. It's very easy. It's actually a lot easier than you would imagine. Okay, and get all these share codes as well. But here's where the magic is. Obviously, it says PDF rebrander tool. Enter your Paraiba user ID. Now, imagine being able to state whatever company you want, allow your team to rebrand. You can put any field you like. You can put that. You can have a way so that they can brand it with their name, their email address. As many businesses as you like in one PDF. You don't have to stick to one company. You can have 5 or 6 companies if you really want to. You can have maybe a JVZoo product. You can have a ClickBank. You can have a network marketing business. You can have a bunch of traffic tools. You can have a marketing system. You could use Leads Leap if you want, or any kind of business. You have total control. And I'll also give you the download of the Word document that I used to create one of my PDF reports itself. Okay, I'm not going to allow you to use all of them. All right, I'm giving you that particular one because that's the only one I'm giving you access to. All right, so don't go and copy my other PDF reports that I've created without asking my permission. Okay, that is the only one PDF. You'll know which one I'm talking about when you get on the link below, and because you'll have access to that one PDF, that one Word doc that you can edit however you want and stick in your own businesses or whatever. You can reword it. You can make it kind of like work with your business or whatever. And then all these pages are editable as well. So the software itself is going to allow you to do all this. It's a complete web-based software. You upload your Word document, and the system automatically rebrands and creates the PDF on your behalf. You just copy a little HTML code. You stick it into an iframe on your page, like Lead Sleep. I've even got the templates here, the share codes that you can use, and stick your own HTML code in there so that they can brand and use the form. So it's really just copy and paste and create your own system. Basically, it's that simple. Some of you have seen my blog where I've got all these automatic rebrander tools. It's using the same software, guys, exact same software. So you're basically, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm basically giving away my secret here that I've been using for the last 5 or 6 years to transform my online business presence. But at the end of the day, the one ingredient that's so important is your willingness to take massive action and become a leader. Because if you just grab the software, and it's ridiculously cheap, but if you just grab the software and think it's all going to magically happen, that's not the case. I had to change in so much inside me. I'm a shy person. I'm an introvert, but I had to change inside me. I had to become a leader, because you can't just think that that one push button software or some kind of system is going to transform everything for you and magically make you become a leader or a rock star. It all happens within your mentality. If you haven't got that leadership or willingness or passion or readiness to put in a lot of work. I've had a lot of sleepless nights creating content, coming up with ideas, new fresh ideas, methods on how to generate traffic, how to generate leads, how to bring in signups. I've created the kind of the fresh kind of methods and know-hows. That's why they've worked. But if you're just going to copy what I do 100%, it's just not going to happen. So don't copy what I've done. Do your own thing. Okay, I'm giving you that opportunity to step out and become a leader. Break away and become a leader. Okay, do your own thing. Okay, I 100% say this is not going to work for someone who's just going to go ahead and purchase this software and think it's going to magically happen for them. No way. This is only going to happen for people who have got passion, okay, and got real keen, unique ideas, and prepared to put in a lot of work and effort and sleepless nights to make this work. Those are the people who are going to make it work. Okay. So anyway, go through the funnel, check it all out. Just get on the link below, and I've got the funnel below that you'll be able to just go through and learn everything you need to understand about the two software. Okay, obviously one is the rebrandable web-based system that allows you to create these rebrandable PDF reports for your team to be able to rebrand your reports. That software is available on the next page. Plus, you'll have access to Lead Sleep and all my share codes. So those two things will probably basically set you apart. One extra important ingredient, as I've mentioned, is you need to have a willingness to really make some changes in your life and step out as a leader. Okay, otherwise it's just not going to work, regardless of what software you're using there. All right, well, I'm just giving you my secrets there, guys. Hope you like it. Stick with me, and let me help you. Let me guide you. But all the information, all the tools, all the guides are on the systems to help you get started. All right, and how to use the software, it's all in there. Okay, cheers guys, thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.